Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to do a quick video on a project I've just about finished. This is a folio and the tutorial is by Your Book of Memories. If you haven't been over there, check her out. She has great tutorials. I've done this one, I think this is my third one I've done. So I was trying to use up some scraps. I'm on a big no spending spree and or freeze, and so I'm trying to use up scraps and sort of get rid of some of the clutter, you know, that scraps come with scraps. So this is a paper from Recollections, the Paris theme paper, and I made a little charm here with some Dollar Tree tassel keychain, and I added some beads here from Jenny England that I received, and just added a bow here so it opens up like this, and then there's a paper clip here, and this opens. And then these are two pockets. This paper has great cutouts. So, and there's a big tall tag to put a picture. You could put a huge picture on there. And then I left this plain for now. And this opens up. And you have this layout here. And then this opens. I put a charm here to keep that ribbon where it's supposed to be. And I didn't mat the other side because sometimes it gets too bulky by the time you add pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could add 6 pictures, so 6 more pages. You know, it adds some bulk if you're putting a photo on each one of these mats. So I left that plain for now. And then this is a little pocket, 2 more mats. And then this opens. And I left this plain for now. Just 2 pockets again. Giant mat. I didn't cover all those. I have 2 more pieces of paper left, so I'll be able to cover a little bit more if I want, or do some matting. And then this opens. And pocket, another mat. These are so cute. There's so many of these cutouts in the paper, in the paper pad. And then this opens. So I used my scraps, and then I used what I had left of the paper pad. That's the whole thing open. And closes. That's the back. So that's my little project share. And this is 100 things, also counts as my 100 things that I'm trying to finish up. So I've got a couple other things I've made that I'm not going to tape or I'm not going to video because they're presents. So this is going to be number 99. So I only have one more thing to do, and I finished my 100 things challenge. So I'm excited about that. I've been working on it slowly. I made a few things I didn't like, so I didn't finish those, took those apart. So this one I really liked, so I wanted to share that with you. And if you haven't seen Your Book of Memories channel on YouTube, go check her out. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time.